Hello again. There will be some rain today for northern and western Scotland, Northern Ireland as well, but elsewhere most places will be dry. We've still got an area of high pressure, just extending enough to put a lid on any shower development across much of England and Wales, eastern Scotland. However, this weather front here will bring some outbreaks of rain and thickening cloud to initially the Western Isles, Northern Ireland, and then that rainfall extending into the west of the mainland of Scotland, and some heavy bursts will be associated with it later in the afternoon. Just ahead of it, you can see a few showers developing, perhaps southern uplands into the Pennines as well, and the odd one further south. But for the vast majority, it's looking dry. Some breaks in the cloud, where we get some sunshine, 20 or 21 Celsius possible. But for most, it's a cloudy afternoon, and it will be feeling cool, particularly as that rain sets in the north and northwest. The rain then starts to extend its way across the country overnight, but you can see how patchy it is. It's not going to be particularly heavy or prolonged. Not much of it at all in the south, but it will be damp, increasingly so across Scotland, northern and eastern England. Showers following, and a lot of cloud cover means that it's not going to be a particularly cold night. We're looking at lows of 9 to 13 Celsius. That low pressure is sinking its way southwards across the country during Wednesday. But another thing that's happening is the jet stream is diving south. And what we end up with is this loop in the jet stream, and within that loop is something called an upper vortex. Now, I mentioned high pressure acting as a lid on shower development. Well, the opposite happens when an upper vortex comes over the top of us. It's like removing the lid. Showers really start to get going then, and we get some particularly heavy rainfall later Wednesday. So what initially starts on Wednesday as some fairly weak weather fronts crossing the country ends up with some fairly active downpours. Now, a damp start across much of Scotland, northern England, eastern England as well, seeing outbreaks of rain and some thick cloud. But you'll notice as the day progresses, we see these showers start to develop and these bright colours emerge. And that's the upper vortex, that's the lid taken off, that's the air rising widely across the UK. But this is how it's looking on Wednesday afternoon. We zoom into parts of Scotland there. Actually, Shetland faring quite well. Sunny spells, cool feel here, 11 Celsius, but a lot of cloud cover across the rest of Scotland. Outbreaks of rain, but some bright colours emerging here across southwest Scotland, western parts of the central belt, Northern Ireland as well. These are the heavy downpours, increasingly so through the afternoon, and they're approaching Wales. Some lively showers there across Wales ahead of this more general area of rainfall, and a few showers kicking off across central and northern parts of England. Further damp weather to come in the south and southeast, but at this stage the southwest is relatively dry. 15 to 18 degrees, it's a cooler day compared to Thursday. Now, this area of fairly intense rainfall then starts to become a bit more widespread. It pushes into Wales, this is Wednesday evening, and then eventually the southwest. So this is the main area of concern really on Wednesday night. Some very heavy rainfall to come for parts of Wales and the southwest. Meanwhile, lots of cloud elsewhere, further outbreaks of rain or showers continuing into the start of Thursday. So some heavy rainfall to come after most places see a dry day on Tuesday, and you can keep up to date with all the latest by following us on social media. Bye-bye.